In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva Design 2025 step by step. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your preferred web browser and head to canva.com. If it's your first time, you can search for Canva and click the official result. It's a good idea to bookmark the site so it's always easy to find later. Next, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you have more than one account, double check that you're in the one where your design lives. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Canva homepage. From here, find the template or design you want to save. You can choose one from your recent projects or browse templates. Click it to open the editor so you're viewing the design on the canvas. With your design open, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the export options. In the Share panel, select Download. That opens the download settings where you'll choose the file type and any format options you need. Now choose the file type that fits your purpose. For documents and multi-page layouts, PDF is a solid choice. If you're sharing online or need an image, PNG offers great quality with transparency support, while JPG is smaller for quick sharing. For this walkthrough, pick PDF, then select PDF Standard. PDF Standard is optimized for everyday viewing and sharing, keeping file sizes manageable while preserving quality. If your design has multiple pages, you can keep all pages selected or pick specific pages right here in the download panel. You can also adjust minor settings like color profile or flattening depending on what's available for your design. When your settings look right, click the download button. Canva will process the file. You'll see a brief progress indicator. Larger designs or those with many images may take a moment, so just let it finish. Avoid clicking away or closing the tab while it prepares your download. Once the download completes, the file will appear in your browser's download bar or in your computer's default downloads folder. Click to open it and quickly review the pages to make sure everything looks correct. Fonts are crisp, images are clear, and the layout matches what you saw in the editor. That's it. You opened Canva, logged in, selected your design, used Share to find download, chose a file type, PDF Standard in this case, downloaded it, waited for the export, and then viewed the finished file. You're all set to share or print your saved Canva design.